Hey, today's video is going to be about hormone balance, and this right here is my hormone tincture. This covers menopause, PMS, and PCOS. And PCOS is what I have, okay? Took me years to figure out what was wrong with me. And once I did, which I found out myself, I went to specialists, my OBGYN. They referred me to a hormone specialist who still didn't diagnose me. And I ended up doing my own research, and I found out what I had, took it to my primary physician, and then he confirmed that's what I had. So basically I have insulin resistance PCOS, and there are 4 types. You might fall under that or the post-pill PCOS, or you may fall under adrenal PCOS or inflammation PCOS. So one of those you may fall under. You may have it and not even know that you have it, okay? So please do your own research. I can't stress that enough, but this right here helped me so much. This also helped my mother with menopause. So I'm going to put this down, and we're going to start going over the herbs that I chose for this formulation. And what we are about to do is make a tincture, a hormone. You might have some of these herbs, and then there are other herbs that you can also use, but these are the herbs that I chose to help me with my issues and to help other people with their issues. So the first herb is ashwagandha, okay? So we're going to go with ashwagandha powder. And the reason why I'm using ashwagandha, it reduces stress, hormones, helps to balance the hormones, and stimulate blood flow to the reproductive organs, okay? Also good for fertility. So we're just going to dump this in the jar. And this is a tablespoon and a half, okay? So the next thing is Johns Wort. Now, be careful when using Johns Wort because it's known to interact with other medications, and it can cause some side effects if you are taking other medications. So please do your own research. And the reason why I chose Johns Wort is it helps with depression, stress, helps to with hormones, helps stimulate blood flow to the reproductive organs. Also great for fertility. Okay. So the next thing that we are going to talk about is Fenugreek. Also great DHT blocker, helps to balance estrogen levels, in turn balancing hormones, and also improves your libido, okay? And this is the same thing. It's a 1 tablespoon, half teaspoon, okay? So the next thing that we have is dandelion root, okay? I chose dandelion root because it plays a role in the detoxification of the body. It detoxes excess hormones, the extra hormones that your body does not need. So we're going to use this, and it's a great diuretic. Helps to relieve extra water that you're carrying when you retain it during your cycle. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to talk about is licorice root. Love me some licorice root, okay? The reason why I chose licorice root, it is a phytoestrogen which protects estrogen receptors, okay? Great for helping to balance out your hormones, okay? The next thing that we're going to talk about is Damiana, used to treat and improve hormone imbalances, mood swings, fertility, and great for the libido, okay? Last thing we're going to talk about is Nettle Leaf. Has a unique ability to add, to contribute to the hormones where they're needed and delete them where they are doing damage. So if you have extra hormones, it helps to get rid of that, and it helps you to keep the good hormones to help balance out the hormones. So what we're trying to do is restore, get everything in balance, because PCOS is, we're going to go ahead and add this alcohol now. So PCOS is when you have a hormone imbalance, okay? Basically, there's something going on inside your body that is causing the issues that you are having. So we want to try to balance everything out. Same thing with menopause. This also helps with hot flashes, night sweats, these herbs are great when you're angry. I don't know about y'all, but I get very moody when it's that time. And that's one of the issues with PCOS. You have a very high, your testosterone levels are very high. And it sometimes can make you very angry, okay? So we're going to go ahead and give this a shake. And you want to let this sit up for about 6 weeks to 2 months, stirring at least every other day, or giving it a shake every other day. And this is what it looks like. And this is what the final product will look like. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel.